Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. Firstly, check if your Bluetooth is turned on, so open Control Panel and enable it if it's disabled. Now, if you have Android, it should reconnect automatically, but if you have iOS, we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap on them after you turn on the Bluetooth. You don't want to reconnect automatically with iOS, so we need to do this. You can also try to do this on your Android device. Sometimes it happened with the earbud that it didn't want to reconnect automatically. Now, if it didn't help you and you still haven't connection, next step I recommend to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and after that you just open the case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Maybe this one help you. So we have connection. If it also didn't help you, I recommend to firstly remove and add these earbuds from your phone. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if you have a button, because not all Android phones have this button. And if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And now we need to enter pairing mode. So put your earbuds to the charging case, if your earbuds outside the case, and press and hold connectional button until you will see that the LED light on the front side start blinking white. Here we go. And then tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. Now, if this method didn't help you, next step I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. You need to press and hold connectional button until you will see that the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. So press and hold. Firstly, it start to blinking white because it entered to pairing mode. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go. Now we can reconnect them with your phone. So, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now, again, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. If you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list, you need to tap on them. And we did it. Now, if these methods didn't help you, I have the last one, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on iPhone and then on Android device. So, on your iPhone, you need to open settings and then go to the general settings. Scroll down and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Click at this line, then click reset. You need to select reset network settings because on iOS we haven't reset Bluetooth settings. It's located inside the network settings. So tap at this line, then write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, also open Settings, and we need to go to the System. So scroll down and System. At the bottom, we have Reset Options. Tap at this line. And right here you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!